What's happening, people? In this DIY video today, I'm going to show you guys how to get your door to latch, okay, without having to realign the whole thing. There's 3 simple steps that you can take to make sure this is working properly. Number 1, you can check if this is sticking, which it's not, okay. Number 2, screwdriver, and make sure all of these are super tight, which I've already done. These rub marks indicate that my door jamb is coming right in here, so I need to shave off this part a little bit. So you can do one of 2 things here. You can take a little file, so if you just file in one direction, which is in, you can file this down and make the opening a little bit lower. In my case, I'll need to go lower instead of go higher because my door is sagging a little bit. But something easier than a file will be, get yourself a Dremel. This will make your life easier for many tasks around the house. Okay, I cannot tell you how many times this Dremel tool has paid for itself over and over again. What you'll do here is take this little sanding bit. So you're going to put on this little sanding bit. That's going to save you a lot of time versus having to use a file back and forth. So yeah, so tighten this on. Okay. Don't forget to use eye protection, by the way. Alright, this goes in. Wait. This locks. Damn. And this locks. That's it. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more future how-to videos just like this one. Peace out.